when you're doing a zoom in page, do you need to do like a panel before that to show them moving the actual object and then zoom it in another panel?
What do you mean?
In the original page, what I did was the fact that like I showed a panel just like her first taking out the wand and then like casting that spell. So is that something you want to do too? If like you're zooming into a shot, you show like a build up of the actual movement happening?
Yes. It's like you can do a build up, or it's like a sudden thing. That's why you zoomed in. So remember, you only zoom in if you want to show a specific action or a specific emotion. And it's either the face, you're showing the emotion on the face, or you're showing it on the hand, like what you did with the clenching of the broomstick. That's good. It's just, it's too soon because we don't know yet what's happening.
Oh, okay.
It's there. And then here, you don't need this anymore. It's like, she drops down on the ground because she just sees it, and it can be already the establishing shot where she's like, let's say she drops on the ground, so it can be her shoes, and then her broom is also here. It can be a zoom out shot because there's a lot of things going on and you want to establish where she is now. So she's holding the broom and she's walking or looking, and then you can see here the other character and they're like help me, like that. All right, they're like B because it's character B, and then they're like help there, and then you can just do this. It's remember that scene at the Apothecary Diaries manga panel where they're just doing the dialogue. So this explains like, how did you end up, what is happening? Right? So this can be the, are you okay? How did you end up there? It's fine. And then this is the scene where they're just like, maybe they're on the broomstick together now. That's already your story. Just 2 pages.
Oh,
okay.
Cool. Thank you.
No problem.
If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call. We'll look at your idea or pages and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to finish a 16 to 24 page contest-ready one-shot. We only open a few spots each week, so if you want one, click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com, apply, and pick a time for your call.